how to enable mentions and bio notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable mentions and bio notifications only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here we'll find this one, your profile. Click on it and then click these three lines, and top here we'll find settings. Click settings and then click notifications. Now just click following and followers, then just scroll down until you find this one, from people I follow. Click on it. Now all you need to do is just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.